Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here with short video. This is an endgame study, I think pretty interesting. So in this position white tries to win and black tries to draw. They have extra piece, but unfortunately these pieces are way too far away from defending their pawns and protecting against this pawn avalanche. So it's not that easy, however. Most of you will take here, and it's a draw because this is a Zugzwang, so-called, yeah, when white doesn't have a good move. So they can capture, but then black will capture back. And if you go here, then the easiest is just bringing king up and attack this pawn here on e5. So it's a draw. If we take here, then it's even easier. Maybe black can take here. This pawn is attacked. You can save it, but then you can lose the game even. Or if you go this way, then fortunately black will at all times protect themselves, and it's already white who has to take a draw. So it's not that easy. So you can try this, and actually it's a good move, good attempt. So to force, let's say, black to play here and win this way, yeah, that just pawn passes through. But it's a good try, but black can take on d5, and I don't know, if we go here, then it's lost after bishop to d6, and if we go something like king here, then again d4, black wins. So it's not really working out for white. So the right move is e6. Black has to capture, because otherwise you will either take here or play d7 and queen, so black takes. And again, unfortunately, this doesn't work out because of different moves, but it's definitely not a draw. But if you take here, then yeah, I mean, this pawn is just, you cannot do anything. So black takes, and white cannot take here. So the right move here is f5. I hinted this move order previously. So what's going on? If black takes here, for instance, then f takes e, and this pawn is blocked. So this pawn here is a problem for black right now. And if black takes, I don't know, this way, then of course e6 and pawn just marches in. So basically you have to sacrifice when even though there are no pieces left, but I mean, you have to go for it. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.